Okay, I got a 7 years old KitchenAid microwave oven. It also used as a vent. It was up there, so you have to take it down because it's got so greasy. And I was doing some cleaning. I just cleaned off the top, and then there's more grease down here. You can see it. It's right here, all the way down to this side. And just came across this product. It's called the Nemo Industrial Wipes. And it say will clean oil, grease, paint, sealant, adhesive, grind, you know, all that stuff. So that's what I was using. So what well that I share with everybody on YouTube. Let me get a piece out. It came sealed, so the towels are moist, and it's double-sided. One side has a rough surface, so it helps scrape off the grease, and the other side is more smooth. So what you do is just wipe over the towel. You see how the grease is coming off, and see it over this corner. So just give it a few wipes. There it's gone, and you can see it picks up all the grease on the towel without any mess. Some people like to use, baking soda, lemon juice, all kind of things mixed together, but this is just a quick, easy way. Just wipe it with a towel, and see all the grease stays on the wipe, and it's clean. So it's kind of really convenient way to wipe off the grease without have to use any mixing water or spraying. Looks like new. And I cleaned this area, so, and then there's another spot that I missed. Let me push it over here. So that works great, and also smells good. Kind of smell like a pine sol, fresh, have a fresh scent to it. And also try to get the grease in there. So, see how that. Okay, let's use a clean area right here. Stick in there. There goes the grease. So highly recommend it. You could get these on eBay. Search for Nemo Industrial Wipes. That's NIMO. Great stuff. Thanks for watching.